Okay, for homework 9-7, I'm going to have you copy all this work and the graphs, and then write down the 3 words to show me that you listen. So I need you to know that one graph is proportional and the other is not. This one right here going up by 4s, but I have that 0.00. As soon as you see that, know that that means it's going to be proportional. It's going right through the origin. You could use that 4 to add up to get those other numbers, 16, 20. But then know that to find this 20th term right there, you're going to need a formula. You're going to need y equals, and whatever number you're adding goes right there in front of x. So that would be 4x. So if I wanted to find the 20th term, I just take that 20 and plug that in for x. The first word is soccer, soccer. So here I go, 4, plug that 20 in right there. That lets me write. And you can see when I times that, there's nothing to add that 80 to. It's just pure 80. And then all those coordinates that you could plot, 0, 0, 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 12, 4, 16, 5, 20. Can't do the 20, 80 because it probably won't fit. But here I go, 0, 0 in the middle, over 1 up 4, over 2 up 8, over 3 up 4 more, over 4 up 4 more, over 5 up 4 more. And that is 520 right there. Draw your line through them. And know that this line is proportional. That means this is going through the origin. That means it's growing proportionally. 1 to 4 is growing the same as 2 to 8, which is the same as 3 to 12. All those values are the same, growing proportionally. Second word is volleyball, volleyball. This one over here, though, is not proportional. Let me show you. This one is going up by 5, which means I could use that to continue the pattern. 19 plus 5, 24 plus 5, 29. But when I'm jumping ahead to this 20th, I need a formula also. I'm going to reverse this pattern and subtract by 5. So if I want to find that 0 term, if I take this 4 right here, minus 5, that gives me 4 minus 5, negative 1. That equation I'm using for this table is that number in front of x, 5, and then plus or minus that y-intercept number, minus 1. If you want to prove that that equation works, try it. Plug in 4. See what happens when you plug in 4. When I plug in 4, I get y equals 10 minus 1. Yep, that's y equals 9. So you could see that formula works for every single point. If I wanted to find the 20th, take that, plug in 20. Make sure you subtract that 1 at the end. That gives you 100. Minus 1 gives you 99. Know that when you graph that, these give you coordinates also. 0, negative 1, 1, 4, 2, 9, 3, 14, 4, 19, 5, 24, 6, 29, 20, 99. Graph them, but know that they will not go through the origin. 0, negative 1, down here a little bit. Sorry, it's off the graph. Over 1, up 4. And then from there, over 2, up 4 more. Whoops, that's the wrong point. 1, 4 would be right here. Going over 1, up 5, over 1, up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the point. 2, 9. Go from there, over 1, up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the point. 3, 14. From there, over 1, up 5. That's the point. 4, 19. Notice that this is a straight line too, but this straight line is really going through the y-axis a little bit lower. It's not touching the y-axis right at that solid point in the middle. This is not proportional. All right, the third word is dog. Dog. Turn this in with those words. Good luck.